Hello and welcome to Radio Inspector software how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how to install offline maps for RadioInspectorRC, RadioInspectorRT and iRemote Check software. RadioInspector uses Open Maps provider to download map tiles from the internet. This video will be useful for our customers who have no internet access in their network, so they can't download maps in RadioInspectorRT, RC and iRemote Check. In this video, I'm going to disconnect the network cable from my computer and test offline maps and iRemote Check. As you can see, we have no saved maps. Open Maps uses zoom levels from 0 to 19. In this video, I'm going to install offline maps of Australia with zoom level 0 to 11. Let's assume then that you have already downloaded the zip file with offline maps and saved it to your desktop. First, we need to find a location where offline map files are stored. In RadioInspectorRT and RC, click on Show Map button and a map window will appear on the right side of the window. Then click on Select Maps Provider button to open the Map Provider window. It might take a little bit of time for this window to open. On the Maps Provider window, please note a path below, folder for cache of maps. This is a default folder location. Please note that user profile folder name will be different on your computer. You can choose different folder to store offline files, but in this video, we'll use the default location. In iRemote Check, click on Options menu and click on Settings submenu. In the new window, click on the folder icon next to Provider and Directory to save downloaded maps. In the Maps Provider window, please note a path below, folder for cache of maps. This is the default folder location. Again, please note that user profile folder name will be different on your computer. Once the folder location is noted, we can close RadioInspectorRT, RC or iRemote Check. Next, we'll open the zip file with offline maps and extract all the files to the folder which we noted previously. It will take some time due to a large amount of files. Once the files are finished copying, we can open iRemote Check and check offline maps. If successful, you will be able to see maps in iRemote Check zoom level 0 to 11. Click on the hand icon to scroll maps and use mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Alternatively, you can click on Zoom In and Zoom Out icons. Please note that maps will not be displayed above the zoom level 11 in our scenario. Thank you for watching our video.